Hi everybody, this is a cleaning motivation. This is a cook and clean with me, and this is welcome to my channel. I'm a mom and a wife, a mom of 4 older kids, and I keep littles. Sometimes I have cooking, cleaning, decorating, and hauls on my channel and a variety of things. And I'm gonna go.
I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without.
So I'm cleaning up the kitchen. I just got back from walking. I went and walked the neighborhood on this day, and I'm just cleaning up the kitchen so that I can cook. I did not clean earlier this day. Had kiddos, and sometimes when I have kiddos during the day, I don't get to the kitchen until everybody is gone because I want to make sure I'm watching and making sure everybody is staying out of stuff, not fighting, things like that. So I went and did my walk, and then I came back and I cleaned the kitchen before I cook. So I'm using the Kickin' Chicken. This is a new seasoning that I wanted to try. We've been really loving this. And so I'm just putting this Kickin' Chicken and some garlic and parsley seasoning on these chicken thighs, which I'm going to end up making a salad. So I'm going to be using my grill, and I just took, like I said, these 2 seasonings right here was enough. So I'm seasoning the chicken, getting ready to put it on the grill. And the grill is ready. So I use the cooking spray from Aldi. Just spraying it. It's already warming, ready to go. And you're going to see me flipping this chicken several times. The reason I was doing that is because my daughter had me cracking up. We was just joking around. So I don't really do this to the chicken. I usually cook it, put it on the grill, flip it like once or twice, and then put the top on it. But we was tripping and stuff, so that's why I kept flipping the chicken the way that I was. So that's what you see here. I'm just flipping it because my daughter, she had me cracking up. So now I'm just going to put the top on here. I cooked something earlier that day, and there's my salad. Oh, this is the next day when the kids had just left. So I am cleaning this table off. I don't know what's going on with this spout on this spray, but I'm just bleaching the table, and I'm going to bleach the chairs because I want to make sure that I get this nice and clean. Today, I usually, when the kids leave, I usually wipe stuff down so that the next day when they come back, I have stuff cleaned off and ready to go for the next day. And it's coming up to the time where I need to clean the toys again, but usually I just wipe the stuff down and I spray with Lysol and stuff like that. And then on the weekends I do a deep clean, which I probably won't have kids again until next week sometime, so I'll be doing a deep clean this weekend for Monday's video probably. So if you're gonna need some motivation on Monday, I'm gonna have a lot of motivation in the next video. And so now I'm just spraying down the cots at the end of the day, and I try to clean these, like I said, keeping the germs down. I'm gonna take the blankets and wash those too this weekend, so they'll be nice, fresh and clean. And now I'm going to vacuum the carpet. I do this every day at the end of the day. Vacuum up the floor, getting up crumbs or anything else that may be on the floor. And then I had to move the plug. So I'm putting this away because I won't have any kids for a couple of days. So the living room is going to be the living room and not the childcare. The childcare space. So I'm just going to continue to vacuum and go on the other side and vacuum.
Give it all to me, get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden.
So we are coming closer to the end of this video, and I'm going to finish up this vacuuming, and then I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for more hauls, more cooking, more cleaning, more videos from me, a variety of things. I thank you all for watching, commenting, and subscribing and supporting me. I really appreciate and love you all. Thank you so much, and have a blessed weekend. Talk to you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am gold.